Vice ganda, Ann Curtis at Vong dumalo sa pa-birthday bash ni Dr. Bello. Sa naganap na event at birthday bash ni Dr. Bello para sa kanyang mga Bello babies na nagdiriwang ng kaarawan, ngayong buwan ng Pebrero at Enero, ay dumalo nga ang mga Showtime host na sila Vice Ganda, Vong Navarro at Ann Curtis. Bagamat wala ang ilan pang mga host ng Showtime, ay naging masaya pa rin ang kanilang pagdiriwang, kasabay din sa pa-birthday bash ni Dr. ang pagdiriwang ng kanyang kaarawan.
Grabe!
Mga January and February birthdays. Birthday to them.
Babatoy ako sa family kong aalis eh.
Okay. So, sino unang sasabak sa team Power Wheel? Okay, so our first award is the bubbliest person of the night. Scarlett, who is the bubbliest person of the night?
Ate Julia Barreto.
Sobrang bubbly mo. Birthday ka nakinig?
20 years, or 20-year anniversary. I was his birthday gift. I met him on his birthday.
We met when I was
when he was 25.
May 2025. So anyway, for 20 plus years, I've been trying to convince this girl to celebrate her birthday. Every year. And I can't even eat her birthday. But ayaw niya ng surprises. So we made sure that this one is not a surprise. But guess what? When I finally convinced her to celebrate, sabi niya, I don't want this to be about me. I want this to be about not just me, but all the Bello babies. I want to celebrate with the January celebrants and the February celebrants. And if we can do this March and February, para kasabayin niyo naman si Scarlett, and then April, May, ako naman yung kasabayin niyo.
Ako na dancing muna ko.
Parang lamang ako sa
Nagtuturo ako ng way out, there you go.
Parang lamang ako.